Today, we pit two ultra-high-performance titans against each other, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 and the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3. These tires are engineered to deliver unmatched grip, precision, and responsiveness. Let's dive into their performance and see which one reigns supreme. In the wet, both tires showcase impressive capabilities. The Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 edges out the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 in wet braking, stopping at 38.7 meters compared to Pirelli's 38.9 meters. This slight advantage could be crucial in emergency situations. When it comes to wet handling, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 takes the lead, allowing for an average speed of 77.2 km per hour on wet courses, compared to Hankook's 75.7 km per hour. This difference highlights the Pirelli's superior grip and control on wet surfaces. Both tires perform admirably in straight-line aquaplaning resistance, with the Pirelli just slightly ahead at a slipping speed of 104.4 km per hour, barely outpacing the Hankook's 104.3. On dry roads, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 shows a slight edge in braking, stopping at 33.3 meters compared to Pirelli's 34 meters. However, when it comes to handling, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 shines with an average speed of 121.3 kilometers per hour, outpacing Hankook's 119.4. This means quicker and more confident cornering with the Pirelli. In terms of wear, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 outlasts the Pirelli P Zero PZ4, offering up to 35,200 kilometers of tread life compared to Pirelli's 32,800 kilometers. This extended longevity makes the Hankook a more durable choice. The Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 is also quieter by 1.5 decibels, providing a more comfortable drive. Additionally, it has a lower rolling resistance coefficient at 8.09 compared to Pirelli's 8.33, potentially offering better fuel efficiency. In summary, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 excels in wet and dry handling, providing superior control and agility. On the other hand, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 offers better braking, mileage, and a quieter ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.